Hey everyone, welcome back to Utopia University. I'm Zach. I don't actually work for Utopia, but my wife does. And she somehow convinced me to come talk about passwords. Lucky for you, I work in cybersecurity, so I've seen just about every password imaginable. And today, I'm going to give you the inside scoop on what not to do and how to keep your account safe. Okay, so let's think like a hacker for a second. What makes their job easy? Obvious passwords. Password 123? Seriously? That's like locking your door and leaving your key taped to the door frame. Bonus points if you use your dog's name. Hackers love dogs too. Reusing passwords. Using the same one is like giving a hacker an all-access pass to every account. One leak and they're in your bank account, your email, and even the MySpace you forgot about. Yes, MySpace is still around. Short passwords, 6 or 7 characters, that's like a speed bump. Hackers can crack that immediately. Sharing passwords. Well, although you might want your family to have your Netflix password, it's not a really good security practice if everyone has access. Okay, so let's now talk about what makes hackers groan and give up. So we want to think of passwords like passphrases. Use a random combo of words. You can even pick items off your desk, or maybe something like trampoline wizard 98 ! Make it long, 12 to 16 characters minimum. This is like adding extra locks to your door, only way cheaper. Use a password manager. These things are a lifesaver. They create unique passwords for all your accounts, which is great because the only thing you really have to commit to memory are things like your wife's birthday, which you definitely shouldn't forget. Turn on multi-factor authentication. MFA for short. MFA is like hiring a bouncer for your password. If someone guesses your password correctly, without that second step, usually a code on your phone, they're not getting in. Hackers hate MFA. You should love it. All right, let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're a hacker sitting at a computer running a fancy program that's cracking millions of passwords per second. First up, you try a simple password like fluffy123. Boom, instant hit. That's how fast it can happen. Hackers are lazy. They don't sit in front of a computer manually typing things like in a Hollywood movie. It's all automated. They throw in word lists, pets names, your favorite sports team, or really anything they can find off social media, and boom, like that, you're toast. Now let's switch it up. Let's say you have a more complicated passphrase like chainsaw, banana, ! 42. Suddenly, the hacker's like, yeah, I'm gonna get back to you in about 7,000 years. That's the difference. That's like leaving your front door open with your house lights on, welcoming attackers to come in. Now, having a strong passphrase is like having a steel door with 3 deadbolts, an alarm system, and an attack dog named Bruce. Bottom line, hackers aren't magic. They just count on us being lazy. So do yourself a favor. Use a long, unique passphrase, get a password manager, and set up MFA. And seriously, go change that one password that you've had since childhood. Yeah, that one. I see you. Thanks for hanging out with me at Utopia University. I'm gonna hand this back to the professionals over at Utopia Fiber, but in the meantime, make sure to like, subscribe, and oh yeah, change that password from password123 to something more meaningful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.